Thank you very much for being connected and learning with me by Neeraj Kumar. Your precious time is very most important and I would like to not waste and I will continue. I will put you yourself in certain kind of areas or prospect where you can develop your full your personality. My dear friend, you might be wondering that what is present perfect continuous tense. So any work or any situations which is started in the past and still that is continue, that event or that situations or that occurrence, you are still continuing. So that's called present perfect continuous. Anything which you started in the past and you that has activities related to present and present time you are continuing. So that's called present perfect continuous. So let's if I give you examples, with the help of examples what you can understand. I have been living in Delhi since 2018. So I have been living. I used to live in the year of 2021 and still I am living. So I start my living in Delhi in the year of 2018. So I have been living in Delhi since 2018. Still I am living. In present time still I am living. So that's called present perfect continuous, right? They have been working. They have been working in that company in the year of 2015. Still they are working. They have been working. That time they were also using. They were also working there. But still at this present time they have been working. So you understand by the situations. Or see, he has been playing cricket for 10 years. He has been playing cricket for 10 years. Yes. So he has been, means he used to play cricket before this year and still he is also continuing that profession till. Anything which has relevancy today means present time that work is continuing. So that's called present perfect continuous. I hope they have been working. They have been working on those projects last 15 years, right? Or they uh, they uh, they have been playing football for many years, right? They have been playing football for many years. In order to understand, in order to recognize the past perfect continuous, there you always see with have or has, there will verb fourth form will come like ing, cooking, eating, and drinking, anything with the at the last of the verb there will be ing will come, and then after that you have to use since or for. Since you will use whenever you know that event, any situations or any particular time when you know. So before the objects you will use since. Whenever you don't know any specific time, any occurrence or any event, you don't, there is not any particular time or any day, months or year. So you will use always are at that situations. I believe your learning is going to be very smoothness and you will achieve your aim and objectives. In this situational based activities, I will give you certain kind of examples where your mind will be wandering, your mind will be thinking, because the thoughts and the creativity which I will give you, it will always strengthening your personality. It will give you certain kind of performance boosting action. So you should never skip the video. You have to watch it until you will not make successful your lifestyle. You will be always considered as a failure, no matter what you have, whatever you considering yourself. It it is some cause and effects which makes your life perfect. So believe in positivity and always do your work on time. Don't depend that tomorrow you can do or you can do after tomorrow, because tomorrow is not going to be finished. So my dear friend, you don't have to worry about anymore. You just keep watch and understand. This is learning based uh, program where you will understand and where you will enhance yourself with very zenith level. Fine. So I would like to give you examples. So today what you will understand about the present perfect continuous. So here now we will talk about present perfect continuous. So I hope you understand, and you might know, you might don't know. Perhaps you have some examples, or might be you are wondering what you can make, what are the differences you can learn. But I'm ensuring you that after watching this video, there will be some techniques and there will be some ideas will come in your mind, and then you can change your lifestyle. So definitely by the thought process you can see yourself and you can change your lifestyle. So my dear friend, while making present perfect continuous, what will be the examples? I will give you certain kind of examples where with the help of the examples you can understand, and you can believe that things are going to be possible. These are the basic things, these are the element things. If you want to speak good English, and if you want to become little strong in your academically things, so you must learn this, and you must practice this. These are the not much essential, but still these are the things where you can these are the thoughts. You will understand, your thoughts will improve with this help of these lines, and where I am also giving you sentences, so you can form this sentences in many forms. So it will always boost your communications, and it will give you some specific moment to improve your communication skills and your writing skills. So I hope you understand, everything is visible. So what will be the subjects, and what will be the formula to making all these things? So in formula, if I talk about the subject plus objects. Right now I have mentioned how you are going to understand about the formulas. These are the formulas. I don't want to make any kind of confusion for the learning. So be simple, and in simple manner I would like to give you the informations how you can make, or how you can use present perfect continuous tense. So as I have already mentioned here, as and plus with subject has and have, and plus been plus verb for form, and the objects will come, right? So whenever you are making present perfect continuous, so you have to take care of these things. So as I have already told you that has we always use with singular subject when the subject is singular. He, she, it, name, or singular. So you can see he, she, it. This is singular subjects. So with the singular, what you will use? You will use has. And with the plural, so here plural, what you will use? With the plural, you will use they, I, you, we, and any plural. When the subject is a plural, so you will use have. So has been on, and has been will come, and the verb for form, and then object will come, right? One thing I would like to also let you know about, when in present perfect continuous, you will present perfect continuous, you will use for and since before the objects. So for when we use, whenever we know that occurrence, that event or that situations have any particular times. Whenever you know date, or whenever you know the month or year, when you know, so you always use since. At that time you always since. When you know the exact things, when you know the time or specific period, whenever you know the that time, month, or day, or occurrence of that moment, so you will always use since. And whenever you don't know, means you have completed your graduations since 2018. So here I have completed my graduations in the 2018, so I use here since. And if how and where we can use for, I have been studying for 10 years. So for 10 years, there is not any specific time that I have been doing for my study last 10 years. So last 10 years I'm using, but there is not any specific time. Or I have been studying from weekend. But which weekends we don't have any information. So specific things or time or occurrence which we don't have, which we don't know. So at that moment you always use for, and after all you will use since whenever you don't know. Here, whenever you don't know, so you will use for, and else you will use since. I hope these are the formula. These are the basic things. You have to just see at once. If it is clear in your mind, definitely you can able to understand and you can form more than 50 sentences. Most of the people, they also don't know, but they know how to make it. That is also a point. That is in that way, if you want to go, you can go and learn. But these are the important thing. When you learn, so definitely you can have some changes. You will this called systematic approach. Before learning anything, you have approach which is systematically. So whenever you do any activities or any work with systematically, so you will not have any kind of doubt, or you will not have any kind of wonder. You will be not wondering about anything. You know what you have to do, because you are approaching things with systematically, in a right manner, in a right form. So these are the basic things. I hope you clear about all these things. If you can also take a screenshot. If you forget in future, you can take screenshot so that you can remember. These are the very simple way I have taught you, and I have let you know about all these are the in a great way. If I got, I hope you understand. So now what we will do, we make sentence. I will let you know about the sentences. Okay. Well, now you can see how we are going to make sentences present perfect continuous. Okay. So let's suppose that you have been playing cricket for last 10 years. Okay. And they have been working on their project for 10 years. She has been studying spoken English last 2 years, or he has been studying since 2018. Right? These are the examples. Just I want to let you know, and just you when you give lots of examples, whenever you are reading 50 sentences, so you may remember 10 sentences. So 10, after learning that, you have some creativity where you can put your creativity mix with creativity, and then you can form the new sentences. So here what example we can take, let's they have been working in MNCs. Right, we will take any simple sentences so that I can write here and you can able to understand. You have been, like is, you can see, you have been studying English for 2 years. So here I have mentioned the present perfect continuous tense. So you can see this subject is singular. So when the subject is singular, so I have used have, and then been. I have been studying. So studying, it is fourth form of the verb, and the objects English for 2 years, right? So you have been studying English for 2 years. So this is positive, and negative what we will make. So negative what we will make like you have. Here in negative what will come? Not been studying for 2 years. You have not in negative sentence what will be here, it will be changed only not. You have not been studying English for 2 years. You have not been studying English for 2 years, or they have not been studying English 2 years, or I have been studying English for 2 years. I have been not studying English for 2 years. So negative sentences, this is how you can make. And then after that, what you can make? You can make interrogative, right? So this is positive statement, and then negative, and the interrogative. So interrogative means you are in interrogative you are asking questions, you are raising the questions. So I have already told you whenever you want to make interrogative, so then the verb, helping verb will come first, and then subject, and then rest of the things will remain same. So here what we will do, so in interrogative we will take this one first. Okay, then we will take the first, and then subject will come, and then rest of the things will remain same. I hope you understand. I hope definitely you can learn, because your learning is my aim. When you learn, when you do something, then I feel successful that yes, you have been doing something. So, okay. So here what is the subject? What is the helping verb? Have, and has. So what we will use? We will take have first. We will take have first. Have you been studying English for 2 years? So right now this is interrogative. You are asking questions. You have any kind of doubt that you are asking questions. You are asking your questions by yourself. Have I been have you been studying English for 2 years? Have you been studying English for 2 years? Or you went somewhere and you are asking with your friends that have you been studying English for 2 years? Have you been studying? Means your friend right now, after a long time you are meeting with your friend, and your friend is speaking too much fluently. He is speaking with confidence, and it seems like he has lots of knowledge and experience. So you are asking with them, have you been studying English for 2 years? Have you been studying English for 2 years? Yes, he will reply, yes, I have been studying English for 2 years. And if he said like I have been studying English since 2021, so here there is a specific time mentioned there. So when the time is mentioned, any specific or particular time, or any occurrence or event mention that, so you will use since here. In spite of using for, you will use here since. So I have been studying English since 2021, right? Because, and here what is mentioned, 2 years, means there is not any specific time, there is not any particular things which you can identify, through which you can understand. So the uses of for and since, it must be clear, you must be understand. Okay, yes, my mic is working. So have you been studying English for 2 years? Yes. And then now you have make this. What are the another thing? What are the another sentence you can make? You can make interrogative negative. So this is interrogative only. Then interrogative negative, what will be happen? Negative. Okay. Negative interrogative. Right. So here what will be happen? Have, same things will come. Have you not, here not will come. Have you not been studying English for 2 years? Here question mark will come and here question mark will also come. Okay, so now the interrogative negative. I hope you understand. Have you not been studying English for 2 years? Have you not been studying in English 2 years? Now at this time your friend is came and he is speaking good English. So now you are asking with them. He is speaking too much good English, and you have doubt on himself that how he is speaking too much great, how you can speaking fluently. So you are asking with them that have you not been studying English for 2 years? Have you not been studying English 2 years? Right? So this is how you can express yourself. You can understand that this could be the situations where you are going to deal, where you have to deal, where you have to understand. So whenever you put yourself in certain kind of boundaries, so definitely you will able to get to know, yes, this could be the right things and I will go through in this way. So definitely it would make great change, a tremendous change. So right now I have taken right, you can see right now I have taken this one. I hope with the help of the example you can understand better. So here I have taken the subject you. So now we will change the subjects, and we will change also use of for. And in this lines we use for. Now we will change this one. Let's see. So at this time we take sentence where we can use has and we can use for. In this sentence we have to, our objective is to use has, and then we have to use for since. As we have already used have and since already with previous sentence. So at this time we will take where we can use has when the comes whenever the subject is singular. So singular we will, he has been working since 2019. So yes, now you can see examples. He has been working since 2019. Okay, he might be working in MNC company, or he might be work for retail industries. Definitely he is working for hospitality industries, in hotels or airlines or any tour and travel sectors. Somebody is working. Okay, so he has been working since 2019. So you can see we have in this sentence we have used has. With has what will when the subject is singular, then we use has, and been and plus fourth form of ing, working since, because we have a specific time, we can know he has been working since 2019. Then we know that he has been working from since 2019. So this is specific, and this is a particular thing which we are understanding, which we are recognize that like he is working from 2019. So here 2019 came, so before what will come, since. If he has been working last 5 years, so it will be here will be 4. But right now here is specific or unique time is provided, so we will use here since. So our objective is completed, that we had to use has and since. Okay, so this is positive, and what will be the negative one? Negative will be, he has not been working since 2019. So he has not been working 2019. You have some doubt, or when somebody is asking about your friend, so what you will say? He has been not working since 2019. Or somebody they have some confusion. So you are saying that he has been not working since 2019. Yes, he has been not working. or somebody thought that he has been working more than 2000 previous or more than 2019. So you have informed them or you let them know that he has been not working since 2019. So this is negative and interrogative negative. What will happen? I told you, whenever you make interrogative negative, so you have to take the helping verb first. So helping, what is the helping verb? Helping verb is has. So has, and the subject will come. He has he been walking? Has he have been working since 2019? As it interrogative, you have some doubts, so you are raising the question, so you will put the question mark here. So has he been working since 2019? Has he been working since 2019? Yes, he has been working since 2019. No, he has not been working since 2019. Has he working since 2019? Has he been working since 2019? Yes. Or now we have to make interrogative negative. There is again questions to questions, right? So has he, again we will start the sentence from the helping verb has he, and then again as it interrogative. So interrogative negative, this is negative interrogative, so you will use not. Has he not been working since 2019? Again the question mark will come here. So has he not been working since 2019? Has he not been working since 2019? Because he made a tremendous change. He earned lots of money. So he said he is not working. Now what you will say? Has he not been working since 2019? Right? Has he not been working since 2019? So in this way you can form the sentence and make more than you can take example more than 50 sentences, and even you can write in paper, and you can do your practice. If you don't want to write, you can do practice. He has been working since 2019. He has not been working since 2019. Has he been working since 2019? Has he not been working since 2019? They have been living in Delhi last 4 years. They have not been living in Delhi last 4 years. Have they been living in Delhi last 4 years? Have they not been living in Delhi for last 10 years? I have been studying last 4 years. I have not been studying last 4 years. Have I been studying last 4 years? Have I not been studying last 4 years? In this way, continuously practice. Make yourself perfect and do practice each and every day. Definitely you will see huge and tremendous changes. You can write in your notebooks, and then after that for your spoken you can do practice. Even if it is wrong, you can do practice. Here I also teach. It is not my native language. This is not my second language. Even I do lots of mistakes, and I continue doing the practice. I'm continue you to letting you to know about all these are the important things, and definitely you will learn and you will change your lifestyle. My dear friend, on YouTube I did not find this kind of content, so I thought that I will make, and definitely you will reach out and you will learn this, and your progress will happen, because learning is important. I request you keep learning each and every day. When you learn something, you are doing perfect gift for tomorrow. If you think that you will learn tomorrow, so tomorrow will not come and you will waste your time. At once you have wasted your precious time, it will not come, and you will have always regret in your life. And then life will become mysteryful, and definitely you will have tremendous problem, or you are going to face a big problem. So by avoiding all these activities, you put wherever is your interest, you can go and you do practice and you learn and finish the work and complete the things. Well, thank you very much. Like and subscribe if you like this video, and if you have any concerns or any comments or any queries, please comment, and please, I need your supports, and you can do supports, and definitely you will see the transformative, and you will change in yourself through watching my videos. I have thousands of contents, and I'm going to bring for you, and definitely you will see completely change. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks.